Let's take up geometry now. Here we are going to talk about three things: the properties of triangle, and second is going to be the congruency in triangles, third is going to be the parallelograms. Properties of triangles. We classify the following triangle on the basis of the sides into three types. First one is the scalene triangle. Okay. Second one is going to be the isosceles triangle. Third one is going to be the equilateral triangle. We come to know about the types based on the sides. A triangle whose sides, who has all the sides of the same length, is called equilateral triangle. Second one is the isosceles triangle. What is an isosceles triangle? A triangle whose two sides are all the same. That's isosceles triangle. Same in the sense, same length, and also you should note the angle should be also the same. Look, the two sides should be same and the angle should be same. The third one is the scalene triangle. We saw scalene here. So, where whose sides are all different. It is not same. This triangle, we have to find out where these things belong. Where does this figure belong? We have all the three sides of the same length. That is equilateral triangle. You saw the definition, right? Where all three sides are equivalent of same length. Okay. In this triangle B, we have PR and QP is of the same length. That is 3 cm. And this side QR is 5 cm in length. So, what is the definition of the triangle that fits here? Do you remember the isosceles triangle has two equal sides and third side won't be the same. Okay, that means the length of these two sides are equal. Hence, picture B is what? Isosceles triangle. Right? Okay. I am abbreviating this. In this triangle, ML and the distance ML is 3 cm, the distance LN is 2 cm, the distance MN is 4 cm. That is, this length, and this length are three different. Hence, the definition of the triangle that fits is scalene triangle, right? Do you remember the scalene triangle? All three sides won't be equal. Okay, this is the scalene triangle. One other triangle we talked about is the right triangle that we will talk about when needed, but you should better to know. This is not part of your syllabus. In this right triangle, only difference is this angle is going to be 90 degree. Okay, sometimes the scalene triangle will be a what? Can also be the right triangle. So this is called the right triangle. This is not mentioned here, but it's good to know. Okay, right angles is called right triangle. Second thing, we are going to classify the triangles based on their angles. Okay, what are the types of classification? We got acute angled triangle, right angled triangle, obtuse angled triangle. Let us find out what are they. Okay. Step 1. What is an acute angled triangle? A triangle that has all sides less than 90 degrees. Here in the previous section we talked about the sides. Here we are talking about the angles. Okay. Acute triangle, you have to concentrate on the angles that are less than 90 degrees. We are talking about the angles here. It's a triangle that has all their angles less than 90 degrees. You should know that 90 degrees is called a right angle. What is a right angle? Right angle that which has 90 degrees. They are perpendicular to each other. Acute is that which is not in the right angle, which is less than this 90-degree thing. Okay, so this is acute. Then what is the other one? Obtuse. We will talk about it later. So these are the three triangles. Acute is less than 90 degrees, an angle of the triangle. Okay, right triangle is going to be exactly 90 degrees. Obtuse is that which is greater than 90 degrees. Okay, here it is less than 90, here it is greater than 90 degrees. These are the three things. Equal to 90, this is greater than 90 degrees. So okay, only differences. The following triangles, the three types we are talking here, acute, right and obtuse angled triangle, is based on the angles. Okay, the previous thing. Okay, in this case, the first classification, we classify triangles based on the sides. Okay, that is, Kalin has three sides not equal. Sides are different lengths. These are all based on lengths of the sides. Okay, isosceles, two sides of the same length. In equilateral triangle, all three sides are of the same length. Okay, in this case, in only differences we talk about angles. That is the difference between previous one and the current one. Okay, here in example A, is what type of triangle is this? Is it acute angled triangle, right angled triangle, or obtuse angled triangle? We know this is less than 90 degrees, right? 60 is less than 90. Hence, this belongs to type 1, that is acute angled triangle, right? Acute angled triangle. Let us take the example B. What is this angle? This angle is 110 degrees. 110. It is, where is 90 degree? 90 degree lies here, right? So this is greater than 90 degrees. What fits this? That's called obtuse angled triangle. Obtuse means greater than 90. Okay, so let's take the example C. What is this one? Here, the angle talked about, one of the angle is 90 degrees, right? So what fits the 90 degree here? Right angled triangle. What is right angle? When the sides are perpendicular. Here this side and this side is perpendicular. That's why we got 90 degrees. So this is the right angled triangle. So this guy fits here. Obtuse angle is over here. And acute angled triangle is this guy. Okay. If you have any doubts, check with your teacher. Okay, take this example. Take all these three sums. Okay, they have asked to T1, T2, T3, measure every angle and tabulate them. You have to measure every angle. How do you measure? Use a protractor and find the angle of these things. You know how to use a protractor? Put the line here. The protractor would be like this. Mark the angle. Okay. Likewise, use the protractor in all the cases. Find all the angles here. What is this angle? What is this angle? Is it right angle or not? Okay. Tabulate it. What is tabulation? This is how you tabulate them. How do you tabulate? Angle A, angle B, angle C, right? For triangle, each triangle. Okay. Tabulate these things. Okay. Have the values, write down. Then sum up all these angles. Yeah, if it is 30, 40, 110. Then you have to add up all these angles. Okay. If it is going to be 60. Okay. Just I am putting an example. And sum up and see. Okay. You will find what do you come across. You will see that when you sum all these angles, you always get 180 degree.